Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your Robinhood account to level 3 options trading. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then scroll down and select Investing Settings. Tap on Options Trading. If you're currently at level 2, you'll see the option to upgrade to level 3. Robinhood will walk you through some information about vertical and horizontal spreads, then give you a short quiz to test your knowledge. Complete the quiz, review your answer, and confirm on the app. Once approved, your account will be upgraded, and you'll now have access to level 3 option strategies. And that's it. That's how to upgrade your Robinhood account to level 3 options trading. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.